Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the common server and connectivity issues that people are experiencing in Splitgate 2. This looks like login queues, server overload, connection timeout errors, etc, etc. There's a couple of different ways to fix this, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is, basically check their Splitgate status on X for their real-time updates on server status, just to make sure that the servers are actually up. The next thing you want to do is we'll cycle the power on your router or modem. So basically unplug your router, wait for 1 minute, plug it back in and see if that works. The next thing you want to do is switch to a public DNS. So DNS issues can prevent this from running. So how do you do this? Go to control panel, go to network and internet right here, and network and internet sharing center. And you want to change the settings here. This is Ethernet, Japanese, but it says Ethernet by the way. And you want to go to properties, scroll down until you see TCP I6, and click on properties. And basically you want to change the DNS server here, and you want the DNS server to be, hold on one second, you want this DNS server to be 8.8.8, and the alternative to be 8.8.4.4. Hit OK and exit, and then launch the game to see if this works. The next thing you want to do, go to type in search, find command prompt, right click on this, say run as administrator. When this black box comes up, type in ipconfig/flush DNS, hit enter. Oops, I spelled that wrong, flush DNS, and see if that fixes the issue. The next thing you want to do is to go to Windows Security. You want to basically go to Virus and Threat Protection, go to Virus and Threat Protection settings, manage settings, turn off real-time protection. I'm gonna keep it on, but turn it off temporarily, and also go back here, go to firewall and network protection, go to public network and turn off the Microsoft Defender firewall, and then see if that works. If it does work, then you should add an exception to it, and I don't recommend to keep this off the whole time. The next thing you can try is to verify integrity of the game files. Go to Steam or Xbox Game Pass, it's the same thing. Right click on the game, go to properties, go to installed files, go to verify integrity of game files. This takes a couple of minutes to do, but basically it will look for any kind of corrupted files and automatically replace them. It is very useful. The next thing I recommend to do is download this program called Exit Lag. I put a link in the top pinned comment below. But basically this is a VPN that speeds up your ping in the game. It basically uses AI to find a server closest to where you are. My Steam in ping right now is 4. Yes, 4. It is crazy fast. You go to library here, go to Splitgate 2, you find the server that you are closest to, or find it automatically, hit apply routes, and it will automatically apply routes closest to where you live to find the best ping. It has some other things too, basically FPS boost. It will make your PC optimized for playing the game. You can also shotgun internet, meaning that you can take different internet connections, shotgun them, and use them both simultaneously. It is amazing. It is about $5 a month, but the first week is free, so might as well give it a shot. Again, the link is in the pinned comment below. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it.